Which planet is known as the red planet?
Mars.
What is the name of our galaxy?
Milky Way.
Which is the only star in our solar system?
Sun.
Who was the first person to walk on the moon?
Neil Armstrong.
What is the closest planet to the Sun?
Mercury.
Which is the biggest planet in our solar system?
Jupiter.
What is the name of India's first moon mission?
Chandrayaan 1.
What is the name of the first satellite sent to space?
Sputnik 1.
What is the name of India's Mars mission?
Mangalyaan.
What do we call a space rock that falls to Earth?
Meteorite.
What is the Sun mainly made of?
Helium and hydrogen.
What is the name of the first Indian astronaut?
Rakesh Sharma.
What do we call the path planets follow around the Sun?
Orbit.
What is a group of stars forming a pattern called?
Constellation.
The study of everything in the universe beyond Earth's atmosphere is called?
Astronomy.
What is the color of the light emitted by the Sun?
White.
Which was India's first satellite?
Aryabhat.
On which date is National Space Day celebrated in India?
August 23.
National Space Day commemorates the success of which mission?
Chandrayaan 3.
Which year did Chandrayaan 3 successfully land on the moon?
2023.